Good morning, children. So today we are going to start our first chapter of maths of class UKG, and today we are going to start our first chapter, that is comparison of size. That means we are going to know about the things that are tall and short, long or short. Okay, that means we are going to compare the size of something or someone. Okay, so getting started with first, that is tall and short. These both words are used about something or someone to know the height of it. Now, take the tallest and cross the shortest. Tallest means the big one, the long one. You can say something that is tall, like a chalk and a pencil. If you compare a size of a chalk and a pencil, then the chalk is short and the pencil is long. Now you can see there are three pictures of camel, horse and squirrel. You have to compare the size of three of these animals and you have to cross the shortest one and you have to take the tallest one. Okay, like that. In the second picture, you can see a snake, a snail and a lizard. Now you have to compare which one is longest and which one is shortest. For the longest one you have to take, and for the shortest one you have to cross. Now the third picture, look at the picture and take the tallest object and cross the shortest object. In this picture you have to take the tallest object and you have to cross the smallest or shortest object. Now come to the next picture. In this picture, you have to choose the biggest and smallest one. That's something that is great in size or big in size, or something that is teeny or small in size. Okay? Now, like that, you have to pick out the heavy one and the light one. Now, as you can see, there are three pictures. There is a bear, a cat and a rat. Now you have to take the biggest one and cross the smallest one. In the next picture, color the biggest with red and the smallest with green. In this picture, you have to compare these two kites, which one is small and which one is big. The big one you have to color with red and the small one you have to color with green. In the next picture you can see that there are some objects in which some objects are heavy and some objects are light. You have to match these objects with heavy and light one. You have to compare the weight of these objects of column 1 and column 2. In column 1 you can see some of the bats, and in column 2 you can see the cock and the ball. Now you have to match which one is suitable to which next one. Okay? In the next picture you can see there are some numbers. These numerals are from 0 to 10. Like 0, that means there is nothing. Z-E-R-O is the spelling of 0. Next one you can see a 1 boy, and the spelling of 1 is O-N-E 1. T-W-O 2, T-H-R-E-E 3, F-O-U-R 4, FIVE 5, SIX 6, SEVEN 7, EIGST 8, NINE 9, TEN 10. As you can see, all these numbers don't have the same counting because the objects are one less or one more than each other. Like in first picture 0, you can see there is only a 0, and the next one there is one boy. That's why you are telling the number is 1. In the next picture you can see 2 hands, so that you say 2. In the third picture you have 3 pens, so you can say 3. Okay, continue the counting of numbers. And now in the next picture you can see count and circle. Count the objects and encircle the correct numeral. 1 has been done for you. In the first picture there are 5 bats. If you are going to count from 1, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are 3 numbers, 3, 5 and 8, and the correct number is 5. So you have to encircle the number 5. Like that you have to count the objects in the other pictures and encircle the correct number. After that, there are some more pictures and you have to write the number, name, count and write. Like first one is done for you. There are 3 books. The counting is 1, 2 and 3, and you have wrote the number 3, THREE 3. And you have to continue with the other objects. You have to count the number. In the circle you have to fill the number, and in the box you have to write the number name. Thank you. That's all for today.